Hi everyone. Today we are going to be opening a Bowman 2021 booster box. I'm doing it with my dad as a really early Father's Day present. Anyway, let's get to it.
Alright, I'm going to open the box. The box got a little bit destroyed, but...
That we got from Bowman, so...
And I will just open this up.
Okay. 6 packs of 12 cards each. Want me to open the first pack?
Yeah, you can open that. Oh. But be real careful when you're opening it.
Okay. Whit Manfield, Joe Adell, Brian Hayes, Spencer Howard, Kel Mart, Joey Votto. Ooh! Talent Pipeline, let's see. What team is this? The Brewers? Yes, that's Julio Rodriguez, Darren McCann, Garrett Klenic. Wait, how do you pronounce that? K-E-L-E-N-I-C.
Yeah, Kalenic.
Yeah, Klenic. This is a really good pull. George Kirby, Jose Salas, Dylan Dingler, Logan Davidson, and Tristan Casas.
And let's just mention who gave you this pack.
Oh yeah,
Do you remember?
So Mark Aram, my dad's friend.
Yeah, he got it for you, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mark. All right, I'm gonna open the next one. You can leave those there. Don't want to mess any of these up. I'm very lucky, so maybe. Okay, so we've got Keston Hura, Buster Posey, Garrett Cole, Austin Meadows, Chris Bubich, Tyler Stevenson, ooh, a futurist card, Zach Veen, Woods Richardson, Ronnie Mauricio, Jessen Rosario, Seth Beer, and Alec Thomas. Yeah, we'll knock get that futurist card and set it up there.
Okay,
All
next
right,
one.
next. Be real careful.
Okay. We have Anderson
Tejada,
Joey Bart, Nate Pearson, Xander Bogaerts, Paul Goldschmidt, Josh Bell. Ooh, Bowman's got his top 100. Joe Adell, Bobby Witt Jr., Jeremy De La Rosa, Colton Welker, Wander Franco, and Nick Vitsko.
Good. Careful. Keep these all in nice shape. Now,
I really want one of those Angel Team cards.
all right, we've got Mookie Betts.
That's cool.
We've got Alex Bregman. We've got Jose Abreu, Fernando Tatis Jr., Anthony Rendon, Ryan Mountcastle. This is a Rookie of the Year, Joey Bart.
Favorites?
This is a Matt Manning card. Hunter Green, McAble, Casey Martin, and Jared Kelly.
Okay,
That's
last
pretty
pack
cool.
magic. Well, this is for me. You
Yeah,
draw
last
one
pack for you. Here, I'll help you so we can make sure not to mess it up, because in case you get super lucky.
Okay. Christian
Javier.
Braylon Marquez, Shohei Ohtani. I love him this year. Charlie Blackmon, Brian Anderson, Bryce Harper, Yadier Molina, Austin Wells, Josh Jung, Dash Fulton, first
Junior.
Junior Serena, and ooh, there's only, it says 109 out of 499. Elurus
Ooh, that's fancy.
Montero. Yeah.
All right.
Let's see that.
And then
Told you last time, Magic.
last pack magic.
That's yours. This is the last pack we'll be
Okay.
opening.
All right. We've got Francisco Lindor, J.D. Martinez, Austin Hayes, Evan White, Letty Taveras, Jazz Chisholm, Casey Mize, Helio Ramos, Nick Gonzalez, Ed Howard, Max Meyer, and Yolbert Sanchez.
Do you have a good card in there?
I mean, you know, they're all good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Anyway.
So today we've got.
We think that these are the good ones, but we can certainly. Here, put them like this. You
Rookie
can
of
just
the Year
put it
favorite.
like this.
Rookie of the Year favorites: Joey Bart, Joe Adele, top 100. Futurist Zach Levine. Talent Pipeline, the Brewers. Wait, is it? No, the Marinos. Sorry.
The Mariners.
No, it's the Marinos.
No, it's the Mariners. Seattle Mariners, yeah. That's all right.
And Elurus Montero, 109 out of 499. Right.
Cool.
Anyway, that's
This
all.
was fun.
Yeah, that's all for today. I don't know what we'll be opening next. It'll probably be
Maybe some more baseball cards.
or
We'll
something.
see.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway,
Thanks
see you
for
next
having me, Kai.
you're welcome. See you next time. Bye.